Hello, I'm Ruth Todd. Welcome to Hello Word Power. Today, we're learning words in English that begin with the letter D. Capital D, small d. The letter D makes this sound, D, D. Are you ready to begin? Let's start. Dice, dice, dice. Say it again, dice. Once more, dice. Dice has two meanings. Dice are small cubes with dots or pips on the side. The dots show the numbers 1 through 6. Dice are often used in board games and other group games. Tom rolls the dice and moves his game piece forward 3 spaces. Dice also means to cut something up in very small pieces. Mother will dice the tomatoes to put into the salad. Say it again, dice. Yes, correct. Digest, digest, digest. Now you say it, digest. Again, digest. Once more, digest. That's correct. To digest is the process in the body of breaking down the food you eat. Alice's body begins to digest the food after she finishes eating. Say it again, digest. Yes, correct. Good job. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Now you say it, dirt. Say it again, dirt. Once more, dirt. Yes, that's correct. Dirt is loose soil and earth. It can also mean something unclean. We are loosening the dirt in our garden to get ready to plant the flowers. When we finish, I will have dirt all over my hands. Say it again, dirt. That's correct. Display, display, display. Now you say it, display. Again, display. One more time, display. That's correct. To display something means to show something. The store will display apples, so people will want to buy them. Elizabeth saw the beautiful display of clothing in the store window. Say it again, display. Correct. Donate, do-nate, donate. You say it, donate. Please repeat, donate. One more time, donate. That's correct. Donate means to give time, money, or supplies for a good cause, such as a charity. Francesca will donate all of her old coats and jackets to the homeless shelter. The candidate is asking people to donate money to her campaign for president. Say it again, donate. Drain, drain, drain. Now you try it, drain. Again, drain. One more time, drain. That's right. To drain means to remove liquid from something. Betsy is going to drain the bathtub when she is finished with her bath. A drain is also the pipe that is used to remove the liquid. The water in the street is not draining because the drain in the street is blocked with so many leaves. Say it again, drain. Correct. Dust, dust, dust. Now you say it, dust. Again, dust. That's right. Dust has two meanings. Dust is made up of tiny pieces of dirt and fluff that gather on a surface or in the air. There is a lot of dust on the bookshelf. To dust something means to remove those small pieces of dirt and fluff. Susie is going to dust the bookshelves to make them look clean. Say it again. Dust. Correct. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.